What's going on, folks? You ever had a problem with your Chevy Traverse to where you keep burning a whole lot of oil on it? A lot of times your issue is that your breather valve pretty much is clogged up and it needs to either be changed out, or you can actually drill the hose out in it to make it bigger so it doesn't clog again. A lot of times you'll find a bunch of oil kind of that's built up inside of right here when you take this off right here. So to find your breather valve, what you want to do is once you take off your oil lid and take off your top cover, you'll see this line right here. You kind of want to follow it all the way back down. And when you follow it all the way down to the back down here, what you'll find is, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little valve back down here. Let me move this right here. See this valve right here, where my finger's on right here? That's your breather valve. You have to pop this hose off right here. There's a little switch on it that you kind of push. And once you do that, you can pop that off. And once you do that, you'll see this little metal piece sticking up right here. And that's your breather valve. So now what you got to do is pull this out. You may have to take a pair of pliers, vice grips, or something like that to get it out. It can be pretty tight inside of her. I've already got this one loose. So I'm going to pull it out and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I have this one loose. And if you can see now, when you're looking at this one, how it's all clogged up on the bottom of it. There's two holes down there, and over time those holes will get clogged all the way up, so therefore you won't be able to get the oil to come out of it. And the top hole right here, then you got your bottom hose. It's supposed to be two holes that's completely clogged up, which is why this truck right here has burned a bunch of oil. This line right here, I'm gonna show you how you will actually get this off of here. This breather valve pretty much sits up inside of this line right here like that. So to get this line off, all you gotta do is reach down there. You see this little switch? You just press that little switch over to the side like that. So I can get a closer shot on it. Just like that. I'm just pressing that little switch over, and when you press that over, you'll be able to pop out this breather valve right here. So you just want to, it's going to be hooked to your truck, so you just want to reach down there, press that over. See if I can get a closer view on it. Yeah, it's right here. See that little switch? Just want to press that over like that. When you do that, you'll be able to pop this hose off of your breather valve. Now if you look at this valve, I'm gonna go inside and clean it, and also what I'm gonna do is go ahead and drill these holes out to make it a little bit bigger. That way it won't clog up again. So I'm gonna show you how I'm drilling these holes out in a second. Alright, so I'm taking this 7/64 right into the top of it, just like that, and drilling it out real good. You see how I made that hole a little bit bigger? I just use these vice grips to hold it, to keep it in place, but make sure you don't use nothing like vice grips too tight on it where it's going to bend this ring around it. Then I'm coming to the bottom. See those two little holes down there? What I'm going to be doing next is just taking this 5/64 drill bit and pretty much doing the exact same thing. Just I'm going to do both of them little holes, line it up. See that one's in, line it up, and that one's in. Just kind of clean it real good. Make sure they're nice and open right there. And doing that should take care of the problem with these breather valves getting clogged up with oil. I heard that about the 2012 on these vehicles, they went ahead and changed this out to give them bigger holes, so you may not have the problem. But if you have vehicles from about the 2009 up to about 2012 and possibly even more, if you keep getting oil in your intake as well as burning a bunch of oil, most likely this is your problem right here. So a lot of times, even if you get a new one of these and you replace this with a new one, you still could have the exact same problem, which is before you know it, it's getting clogged up again. So once I did this, now I'm gonna go back in there and stick this back cleaner, some type of cleaner or something, just spray down inside of here pretty much to get all the rest of the oil that could be stuck down inside of her out of here. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.